Friends, Taliban has taken over Afghanistan, most part of Afghanistan. So, what's going on in the minds of Indian leadership, Pakistan leadership, and China? And what will be their next steps towards Taliban? So, I'll start with China. What Xi Jinping is thinking? He is thinking about trade, business, and gateway to Arabian Sea and gateway to Middle East. But things are not going to be as rosy as he is thinking. Why? Because say after honeymoon period, say after 4 months, after December in the year 2022, things will start escalating between China and Taliban, and soon China will be against Taliban. So whatever is happening, whatever gulu gulu is happening between China and Taliban, this is just temporary. They will not, Taliban will not be up to the expectations of Chinese. Then Pakistan. Now Imran Khan is confused how to react. Bajwa, for Bajwa, this is a risk which he has taken by supporting Taliban. And why risk? Because initially relationship between Pakistan and Taliban will be okay, not very good, okay. But here in 2022, the relationship will soar, and in the year 2023, even Pakistan might take some actions against Taliban. So all will be not well between these two neighbors, Taliban and Pakistan. Pakistan may have supported Taliban, but Taliban will not fall in line with Pakistan. So, say by end of 2022, their relationship will be soared and both will be against each other. Now, India. What Modi is thinking. Now, page of wands. Looks like Modi wants communications to be open with Taliban. Communications lines should be open with Taliban. That's what he is thinking. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Ministers. So, what he is thinking? Wait and watch. And this is the card for Mota Bhai, Amit Shah. What he is thinking? He is thinking of breaking something, either breaking Afghanistan and the portion which is in control of Taliban. Apart from that, other portions should be given to other allied forces, something like that. Or he is thinking of using Taliban to divide Pakistan. This card is something related to division. Then, how will be the response of Indian leadership towards Taliban once they form their government? India will not be recognizing Taliban in near future, at least. They will keep a distance from them. That's what this card is indicating. So, all in all, Taliban might show on television channels that they are now educated, they talk sense, but very soon people will know that they are the same old Taliban, and they will start doing what they were doing 20 years back. So that's it for now. Thank you.